Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Buff163. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Buff163 account, which is a straightforward process. Next, link your Steam account to Buff163. This is crucial for transferring items smoothly. Familiarize yourself with the platform's robust security features to ensure all your transactions are protected. This initial setup ensures a secure and efficient buying experience on the platform. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund your Buff163 wallet. You can typically deposit money using various payment methods, with Alipay being a common option. Remember to consider any transaction fees, which are usually a small percentage, often between 1% and 3% of the deposit amount. Always ensure your wallet has enough balance to cover the items you wish to purchase. Now for the exciting part, finding your desired items. Use the platform's extensive filters to sort by rarity, price, and specific game to quickly locate what you're looking for. It's always a good idea to compare prices from various sellers to ensure you're getting the most competitive deal. Once you've made your selection, place your order and double-check all item details before confirming. After placing your order, you'll receive a trade offer on Steam. It's essential to confirm this offer promptly to successfully receive your purchased item into your inventory. Always review your purchase history on Buff163 to keep track of all your transactions and ensure everything is in order. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.